This is the wonder of God. You can see a baby bird. Look at them in their nest. See how they look like. Baby birds developing. They are not yet fully formed. You can see their feathers. You can see their legs. You can see their feathers. You can see them. So this is how they look. You can see they're reacting to my coming in to their place of sleep. You can see them. Look at them. They're not yet fully grown. They're not yet fully grown. This is what God can do. This is the wonder of God. This is one of the creatures of God, a baby bird. What are they called? I don't know, but I'll see it. You can answer from the reactions. Like, comment, and share to see more of this. You can see as they're reacting to my intruders. They see me as an intruder. You can see them.